new MPC. I got a new MPC Live 2. Me and my new MPC Live 2, you know what we gonna do? We gonna open up that Pro Pack, because I feel like I'm a pro. MPC Update 3.6 Pro Pack O.T.G. What is that? Well, since you asked, I got a beat right here that I was working on. This is with the new MPC Pro Pack. They didn't give it to us. We bought it. And right now, I feel like I got a new MPC. Say word. What's going on, guys? It's your brother O.T.G. The O.T.G's for overtime grind. Hardly seen, but I'm always around. And today, I got my new MPC Live 2 with the MPC Pro Pack. And I got a beat going. You can find any of these brothers or good people on the internet. They're going to tell you the ins and outs and all of that. But I like to use what we got, right? So make sure that you like, share, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell. And as always, I'm hardly seen, but always around. Okay? Charles Paris, that's me. So right now, I'm stumbling through because it's new. And one of the things that I had to set up is I needed to go over to my settings, go to my hardware, and enable the clip workflow. Enable the clip workflow. Enable the clip workflow. That's what I had to do from the settings. Once I enabled the clip workflow, voila, we got clips. So what you do is you just go over to your arrangement, scroll on over, and you have a whole nother tab here, right? And you can turn off the fixed length, which means you could set it at 4 bars, 8 bars, 16, 32, whatever you want to set it to, 1 bar, half a bar, whatever. Or my personal favorite, you could just turn it off. And now with no bar length, you could go as long as you want and still play in time with the rest of the music. This reminds me of the Force. Because on the Force, you could do the same thing, right? A lot of these features they brought in are features that were on or come from, it seems like, the Force. And so you can see now I have a 16 bar pattern right on top of my 4 bar loop, and it's playing in time other than where I played off beat, you know. Out of the things that I will use, I'll definitely use the new reverb. I'm not going to use it yet in this video. I'm definitely going to use clips. Will it make the Akai Force obsolete? I don't think it will. But you know, we're here for conversations. One thing that I like about it is I could tell that it's more snappy. Snappy. I feel like the MPC Live 2 is extremely dope. I feel like sometimes you have to decide what you're going to do, right? And I feel like I wouldn't have been true to you guys without showing you the visual EQ. And I like it, man. It sounds really good. I will say that. Here, listen to it. This is with it off. And then you'll be able to hear with this what it turned on. And you can hear the difference almost immediately, right? It's really about getting your menu together. So on my menu, I have clips launch, clip edit, sound mode, track edit, and the arrange window. I think that a lot of guys probably still have room to grow on their MPC. A lot of the different functionality that they showed has already been available. So the new functionality they add in the Pro Pack, if you know, then you know these are the things you might want to utilize, you know? Now, things like Q-Link Edit have always been around. You know, you touch your Q-Links, you go see what's there, you erase whatever's on there. And then you utilize MIDI Learn as a way to control parameters on your effects. All right, so I go here. I hit learn, then boom. Audio cuts off. I touch the next Q link, hit learn, undo it. Next Q link, learn, boom. Next Q link, learn, boom. Now that I have those already set, I could swipe down again, go to learn, hold the pad, go to the next one. If I turn it, boom. Now you can see it move up and down. Now it's to my Q links. And now, out of the 8 parameters on Fly Tape 2, I have 4 of them split to my Q links, right? That's pretty cool. But again, Q-Link Edit has always been there. This is why I say take some time, learn your machines, because that's one of those things you should know if you didn't know. And I'm not looking down on you, I'm just saying, right? Now that we got our Q links together, let's go do some cleanup. We cleaned that up. And you can see now we can add effects with our Q-Link knobs. Essentially, this plus the other features really makes the MPC Live 2 almost like a brand new MPC. It's pretty crazy, right? At some point, they're going to cap us, and there's going to be no more room for growth. This is part of the reason why I say try to get everything that you can, long as they expand. Stick it to your machine, and then as things evolve, what you know is you still have one of the old machines that give you the old sound. You get what I mean? Still adding parts in. Make sure you check out the Stemmy Pack, the O.T.G MPC Stemmy Pack. Right now, since they finally released 3.6, if you've watched a lot of my videos, I've told you guys I've been waiting for official announcement season. We got the announcement for the Live 3. We got the announcement for some other machines. So now it's one of those times to utilize it. Utilize the machine. Put stuff out. Get it going, right? So in order to make that happen, check out everything in the description. 3.6 new updated masterclasses coming. Everything you check out, you get lifetime updates. Some things are bundled together, so I will look through those. You might be able to find a deal, like the O.T.G stimulus pack. I have found a couple of bugs and a couple of glitches. You know, I do feel like the strongest point is the clip matrix. That's what's important to me the most. I enjoy being a clip-based producer. When I can, I would probably choose that over most other methods because that gives you the ability to have different lengths or different size clips. So here's my advice, guys. I would check out the Pro Pack. Like I say all the time, it's a blessing to have access to these machines, to be a part of these rollouts and the things that they created. And so I believe if you have the opportunity and you can upgrade and get to the 3.6 and get that visual EQ and get some of those things, you know, as I start to just make beats on my live tube, you'll see how I implement a lot of those things. Definitely worth taking a look at. Definitely worth what I feel like is the money that it's going to cost for the amount of time you'll probably use some of this stuff. Now, if you don't use this type of stuff, then maybe it's not for you, but I enjoy clip-based production. I definitely enjoy having one good reverb. I might not be able to put it on 5 tracks because of my new MPC Live 2's RAM capability, but that's okay. I definitely check it out for and get more familiar with the 3.6 workout, or workflow. You know, just spend some time now because you can see where we're at. And so with them even given this, we could see that this is the future, you know. And so while you still can, I would say figure it out, you know. Take your time and figure it out. That's what I'm going to do. But what you've seen so far, I really enjoy it. I really like it. You know, I think it breathes life into my live tube, my MPC 1 and my Force. I recommend highly. Then I recommend getting that O.T.G stimulus pack and boosting that up.